Hello guys, welcome back. I have a Philips 6200 series TV and today I'll show you how to factory reset the TV. To get started, tap the settings icon on your remote control. From there, press down and scroll to the right until you see all settings. Then press the center button to confirm. From here, scroll down to General Settings and in General Settings scroll down to Reinstall TV. If you have some kind of PIN enabled, for example a child lock or something like that, you'll need to confirm it. As you can see, I have one enabled. Then confirm by selecting Yes and simply wait for the process to finish. Finished. Here you can set up your device again however you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and thanks for watching.